couple of times, isn't it?
Well, I don't know, why is it so grumpy all the time? Well, cheer up a little bit.
We are now approaching West Brompton.
Burn that motherfucker though. Fucking thing.
Oh, God, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This motherfucking place. I'm gonna put this motherfucking. Oh, hello. I'm gonna get naked. I'm gonna get fucking naked right there. I'm gonna put this motherfucking place.
Trying to film it. What's a YouTube special?
I'm gonna put this motherfucker.
Film with me for you,
Roger, I give that because it was that he just told me to burn my fucking place.
Any more Bacardis, he's burning this motherfucker down. Guarantee, look, watch how many people get in this train and just go the opposite way.
Oh my, there's a castle. Yeah, that, what's that quick up on the motherfucker myself?
Southern Service.
No, we're making a documentary, it's alright.
Shepherd's Bush.
On idiots.
Harrow and Wealdstone.
He's the,
You
can't film her!
Why? It's not filming.
No, you just,
No.
this is our porno star.
Oh, she's nothing!
Fair enough.
Fair enough, fair comment.
No, a bit
Now
nice.
I'm going for 26. No good?
No.
28.
No way.
No way, no way.
It's true.
I'm going 31.
It's true.
Closer.
Oh, closer,
No.
31. I'm going 30.
There's a law against that.
No, 32.
Oh, very comment, darling.
Nearly.
Kiss your back, kiss your back. That
No,
one.
like a boxer.
Oh. 34. I bet you, where are you from? I'm going,
Iceland.
no,
Oh my god, no way. No.
No.
Poland.
You ain't got a husband at sea.
Poland. Yeah.
Like I said, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, quite aggressive, isn't you? Oh my god, what's worth that one?
I like Poland, all my mates at work are Polish.
We're from London. We're good boys, but we're just.
My mate Seb, I call him Sebush.
Sebush, my brother is Sebush.
Oh!
You got a baby Seba? You got a baby Seb?
No.
Ain't the same bloke, is it? Vatabowski.
Oh
Lots of tattoos.
my
No.
god!
You're like one big family.
Everyone knows a Sebush.
Why? Oh my god! Seriously, what's your boyfriend called?
No, a brother.
Seb.
Sebastian.
Seb.
Sebastian.
Was that a Polish thing? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, was
I
it
don't know,
like?
maybe.
But doesn't Sebush, it means baby Seb.
Yeah, like a little one. Yes.
Little, like little Seb.
Oh, some people call me Big Seb. Boy.
The next
Hang
I have maybe 6, 7, 9 inches right here.
station number 1.
You got the wrong carriage.
4.
It's harmless, he's though, he won't know.
I'm a good person. Will
Oh,
you ring
shut
Seb
the
up
fuck.
now? Tell him I'm meeting maybe later. Me, you go where
We are
you?
now approaching.
I have got 1 more hour for my holiday there.
Sebush, yeah, baby Seba. Laughing at me.
I think you're funny. I laugh so much in my life, I'll tell you what. You know what we're going to do now? I'm going to get drunk, okay?
I'm gonna jump over there and attack him.
Oh!
Bo ja będę za chwilę, bo nawet się nie kąpałam, tylko co zeszłam, to wiesz, zawsze się kąpię, będę ci
Where's she
naciągała.
come from?
Dobra, no lepiej mi
Again. Oh,
A
why?
jak się już żądano?
Oh no, I can't breathe no more.
No, it's enough shit.
Hey, get on there, mate,
Bo
I'll
ja
bang you.
pani to bardzo chaosu. Okej, to ja przejdę gdzie indziej. Dobra, no to